Different modes of heat transfer. Heat is transferred from one place to another, from one body to another, or from one part of a body to another part. The transfer of heat takes place by three different methods: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction. Conduction is the process by which heat is transmitted along a body from molecule to molecule without actual motion of the molecules from one place to another. Heat is transferred from one body to another by conduction if the two bodies are in contact and they are at different temperatures. Conduction can be understood by the following example. Hold one end of a thick copper wire on the flame of a candle. What do you feel after some time? You will find that the end you are holding in your hand becomes hot, so that you are not able to hold it any longer. How did this happen? Here, the candle flame was hotter than the copper wire. Heat is always transferred in the direction of lower temperature. So, here heat is transferred to the copper wire. Good and bad conductors of heat. Materials which allow heat to pass through them easily are called good conductors of heat. For example, silver, copper, iron, aluminium, etc. are good conductors of heat. Materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called bad conductors of heat or insulators. For example, wood, plastic, cork, mud, cotton, wool, asbestos, etc. Uses of good and bad conductors of heat. There are some uses of good as well as bad conductors of heat. For making cooking utensils, brass, aluminium, and iron are good conductors of heat, so they are used in making cooking utensils. For building houses, bricks, grass, and mud, which are bad conductors of heat, are used in building houses, especially in rural areas. To protect animals against cold. The hairs or the furs provided by nature to the animals living in cold climates protect them from cold because hairs or furs are poor conductors of heat. To protect human beings against cold. Woolen clothes keep our bodies warm in winter because they do not allow the heat of our bodies to escape. For making handles of cooking utensils. Handles of cooking utensils are made of bad conductors of heat such as wood or ebonite.